Chapter 10 Amazing Animals. There are so many different animals in the world. Some of them possess unique physical abilities, behaviors, and social structures that captivate our curiosity. Let's talk about some fascinating facts of these incredible animals. Llama is an intelligent domesticated South American cousin of the camel. It is widely used as a beast of burden besides providing hair for wool and meat. The platypus has a unique shape. It has an otter-like body, a beaver-like tail, a duck-like bill, and retractable webbing on its feet. It is also one of only 2 mammals that lays eggs. Guanaco is a wild variety of camelid. The guanaco is a vulnerable animal native to the arid, mountainous regions of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, Chile, and Argentina in South America. The narwhal is a medium-sized toothed whale that possesses a large tusk. It uses its tooth-like appendage to stun prey while hunting. The tusk grows throughout life, reaching a length of about 1.5 to 3.1 meter. It is hollow and weighs around 10 kg. The raven is known for its intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Ravens are capable of planning ahead, such as by recognizing the tool they will need to perform a certain task.